guys? Hope everyone's having a blessed and awesome day. If you guys aren't subscribed to our channel, make sure you guys go and do that.
So today we're going to be doing an experiment. And what is it called? I don't know.
So we seen this Wubble bubble ball, like one of the strongest balls ever. It won't rip, very durable, strong. You're supposed to put air in it, but we're not gonna do that. We are putting Diet Coke, because I am on a diet, as you guys know. Getting a little chubby over here.
What a waste of Coke.
It's okay. So we bought like 12 liters of Coke today. Actually opened up 125 pieces of Oops. For the people that don't know, Mentos, Diet Coke, don't mix. Supposed to fizz up, explode. We're actually gonna put this Wubble Bubble to the test. We're gonna see how durable it is. We're putting this Wubble Bubble, not on my head, but on my stomach.
No, we should do it on your head.
No, what do you mean on my head? I can't.
No, we should.
No, we're not doing it. My neck is not that strong. No.
Give me a good idea.
Alright, I'm gonna be in the tub. I'm gonna be laying down. As I'm laying down, the Wubble Bubble is gonna be on my stomach with the funnel.
I'm gonna be filling it up with Diet Coke first, and then I'll put the Mentos in.
And then we're gonna be putting 125 or whatever Mentos
I'm
we can put.
hoping it explodes on it, but we'll see.
So let's see how this goes.
What the? What's wrong with you?
Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so Lori's gonna be putting the first Coke into this funnel. Let's see how this goes. What are you drinking? Why are you drinking it?
That's so good.
I'm so scared. Don't put it on my face too. I know you're gonna put it on my face. Oh my god.
Is it fizzy? No!
Oh my god. Total fail. No, we're gonna get this going. Lori, I don't know if it's coming out.
Okay, I'm getting out.
Lori,
I'm getting
don't leave me, don't leave me. Lori. This is our fourth one, baby.
Yeah.
4th liter. Oh my god, it's fizzing on my stomach. Next bottle. Guys, look how big this is. Oh.
6.
We're halfway through, guys. I'm just scared that Lori's gonna splash me with it. Don't splash me, Lori.
No.
You got that evil look in your face. I'm like, oh my god.
Oh my god.
Baby, go, keep going, come on. Wait up. Alright, go.
Stop. Stop.
Alright, go ahead. This is crazy. Oh my god. Lori, how many liters is this? How many liters is this? Lori, how many liters is this? You know, guys, I can smell the Coke through this. Lori, don't overfill it. Don't overfill it. No, seriously, don't overfill it. I can hear it.
Oh my god, look at that.
Oh, I feel like it's gonna blow.
Hmm.
I'm cheesing. Guys, it's covering my whole body. I'm so scared.
Why are you closing your eyes?
Baby, 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 baby. It's cold, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold
It's
it.
cold, it's cold.
Hold
it's
it.
Cold, it's so cold. Hey, what are you doing? No! It's so cold. Oh my god.
Oh, I forgot it's not in the
It's
hole.
not in the hole. Oh my god, it was so cold. Oh.
Oh, we still have a lot of room. Okay, we literally have one more left.
Okay, so we should do that. Guys, this feels like a big... Oh, it's going to the side. Oh, it's going to the side. Oh. I can't move. I can't move. This is crazy. Oh man.
Ready?
Yeah. I'm so scared, guys. Oh. Don't do that. What'd you miss? Oh my god. I smell like Coke now. Not even like regular Coke. I smell like Diet Coke and it smells like shit. Oh, I'm so scared. I swear I'm so scared right now.
The moment we've all been waiting for. Oh, I'm so sad.
Look what you did to me, man. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, look at all this. It's bubbled up. Guys, I'm shaking. I'm so cold. I'm so scared. Oh. It's not going in. It's not going in. It's not going in. Baby, why'd you put so many?
No way.
Oh, I'm so scared. Okay, put it back. Put it back.
Let me just put one in there to test it.
Alright, go ahead. I'm so scared. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh
my god.
Lori. It's bubbling.
Okay, should I just put them all in there? Okay, ready? Ready?
Oh my god, I'm so scared. Go, hurry up. Go, keep going. Oh shit. Keep going. Keep going. Oh shit. I'm so scared. Oh. What is that? What's that for? I'm so scared. Lori. Oh. Should I air it out? Oh.
Pick it up and put it on your stomach, can you?
Oh. It's so heavy. Oh.
See how it feels.
Guys, I'm wrestling. Trying to beat this motherfucker. I can't pick it up. No. What'd you do? I got it, I swear I still got it.
You got it?
Yeah. I said it to... Alright guys, that was a total fail.
Oh my god! What'd you do to my bathroom?
Oh shit. Oh man.
Stay in there.
I'm cold, come here, hug me.
No way.
Come here, hug me.
No way, get away from me. Get away from me.
I feel Mentos. Shit.
Oh my god.
Look at these Mentos. Look what happened. Look what happened to this. It blew up on you. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll be back for more videos. Peace.